So this is the outfit that I'm wearing. It's all blues, and I usually have something that is waist defining, but not today. Today it's blue and it's pink, and I'm ready to go shopping, and I will bring you along, and we are going to an opening of a makeup store because it finally opens today. So I will go in there, browse a bit, maybe buy some things if they have what I want, and bring you along. So I just want to show you my outfit. A little life hack: if you are in a dressing room, if they have knobs like this, have a hanger that kind of goes up against the curtain just that it closes, and then you have just a little bit of gap. Make sure that this, if possible, is towards the entrance, which is what I did. By the way, that's the top I'm looking for. So this is the outfit that I'm looking at for buying. I really like the top, except it's see-through. I'm not gonna be wearing something that's see-through. That's just not happening. So it has to be a no on the top, even though it's so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. But the shorts, definitely getting the shorts, and I have room to eat and put Spanx on for when I want to wear Spanx. So the outfit, I love it. Oh, by the way, I went to Bucket, which is the makeup store. I think you'll see before in the video. But I was one of the first 100 customers, so I got a goodie bag, and I will go and do a review and opening the package type of a thing. So I'll definitely do that on my channel. I won't do it for this video. I will show the bag, but I won't show the products. I will show the products that I bought to get the bag, but not the actual products in the bag. That will be a different video, unboxing, my first reaction, that type of thing. So definitely look out for that video. But oh my gosh, as you can tell, I love pink, and my two favorite colors are actually blue and pink. Blue and pink, the two colors I look best in. Okay, so I just got back from shopping and I'm ready to do a little haul. And I have a little surprise for you because I wasn't sure if I was going to get this, but I got it. So the first thing, we'll start with like the more boring things. So I got some Tampax because we need products. Then I went ahead and got some calcium and vitamin D tablets because I'm running out of the other one, and this has 100, which is I think more than the other one I have, and it's almost the same price, so that's good. Then I have some of my fabric softener, which is the Mediterranean Sea Dream type of thing. It smells amazing. I really like the brand Comfort because it smells amazing. It lasts a long time and you just want to smell good. Your clothes want to smell good. It's just that. Then I have clothes this time. So I got these shorts. I think you see them in the video as well. So I got them and they are so cute. I have a pink pair of shorts for winter, which is the white and pink checked, or houndstooth is the correct way, type of shorts. And they are a winter fabric, so I shouldn't be wearing that in summer. So I have a pair of pink shorts and I think it's so cute with the button details. And it has pockets, it has a back pocket, and it's not functional, but it doesn't matter. And I like the length because it's not too short. So then I went to Normal as always. This one is such a big bag this time. I feel like maybe I bought more because I needed more. So I'm just gonna grab the first thing in here. So I went ahead and I bought the shampoo I was talking about. When it comes to the hair oil that I use, this is the same brand. It has the same name, the Extraordinary Oil Nourishing Shampoo. So I bought this to test. I have this thing where I'm allergic to most shampoos, so I just want to try this out to see if it works. I do have some of the other shampoo I'm not allergic to, just in case. And then I went ahead and I got some conditioner. I only needed the one bottle, so I bought the one bottle. And this is the Garnier Fructis Damage Eraser. And I always go for that one, it's so good. Old recipe is better than the new one, just saying. Then I got some more makeup remover wipes. Again, I'm not out of the old one, but I just like to have just in case because the other one is opened. So I got the one that is from Pure & Care, and it's the hyaluronic acid makeup remover face wipes. Then I went ahead and got some deodorant, the Garnier Mineral Hyaluronic Care 72-hour deodorant. Just because I grabbed the one that was easiest. There were so many people in the mall today than normal, and there's a reason for that, and I will get to that in a bit. So then I got some, where's the second one there? Where's the, there. I got some more toothpaste. I like to buy two. Why did I buy two? No, yeah, I bought two because I opened the last one that I have. If I have one that is unopened, I would just buy one. And I'd like to buy the one that is cute design, but also it's not too expensive because I don't think in today's world toothpaste should be that expensive. And then I have some face masks that I have right here. And so I went ahead and got Sense Chamomile Boost that looks like this. I got one of these. Then I got Sense Sunsticks or Sunstone, I think. Yeah, Sunstone. It's just a weird lettering. Face sheet mask that looks like this. As you can see, the lettering is a little weird, but yeah. And then I got some more of the Moisture Bomb from Garnier, the one with the pomegranate. And I do believe I tried this one and I really liked it, so I got more. And I got some Garnier Moisture Bomb with chamomile and hyaluronic acid. And I like this one as well, so I bought more. I love Moisture Bomb, it's so good. Then I got some cotton pads. This one is a 120 pack. And I just like to have them. My window is getting full. Then I got ahead and wait. Then I got some more toner, and this is the Crichton's Salicylic Acid that looks like this. And I got some makeup. So I got the Max Factor Cream Puff Pressed Powder in the 05 Translucent. For whatever reason, this is the darkest shade they have in store. And it's not that dark. I mean, I think it's very light. I think it's on the light side even for me. And I am not that dark. But that's what they have in store. So now keep in mind that this is in Normal where I live, so maybe they don't have other colors because those other colors don't sell. That might be the reason. So I'm not gonna hate on them for that. I just wish they had something that was a little darker. Then I went ahead and got some Dove hand cream, and this one is avocado oil and calendula extract for dry skin. I think it looks like it smells good, so let's see. I just grabbed it in the store. I didn't smell it. Ooh, I mean it's a faint scent, but it's good. While we are, then I went ahead and got some W7 Stroke of Genius Blonde eyebrow pen. I like this one to draw in my brows. I don't really have brows. I think if you follow my channel and seen whenever I don't have my eyebrows down, it's not much there. So I like to do them up. And I like the more 2016 style. I don't like the feathered brows. I don't think that would work for me and my face shape and my style. I think it looks good on other people, just not on me. And then I have the Dove Caring Bath with almond cream and hibiscus. This one. I love this. I remember reading this the first time. It said on the front or the back. I think it was on the front. You will notice a difference after your first shower. And I was like, people say that or brands say that, but it's not really true. This one was true. Notice a difference after the first wash. A good difference. And then I got some tanning mousse, and I got the dark one this time from St. Moritz because I wanted something that I know is gonna be good for summer. So I'm wearing the dark now from Sun Spa, but I want something that lasts a little bit longer, so I went with the St. Moritz. And the last thing I got from Normal is the Dove Body Love Intense Care body lotion. They had the one that I prefer, but this one, I don't know. It smells like Dove in the 90s. It just gave me a flashback. Loved it. Had to have it. And so the first store I went into today was Blivaker, which opened today in my mall. And I waited so long for them to come. Well, first they were a online store, and then they started opening up stores here and there, but it was south of Norway. I don't live in the south of Norway. And so I was like, when is it coming to me? And now it is where I am. I'm not going to show you the whole bag because I was one of the first 100 customers that bought something that was about 399 Norwegian kroners or more. So that makes it about $39.99 or 90, $39.90 dollars. If you spend that or more, you got a goodie bag. If you were one of the 100 first people, I was one of the first 100 people. I will show you what I bought and not what is in the goodie bag, because I think I want to make that into a short where I'm unboxing the goodie bag and I'm getting a first peek, first look at everything, showing you guys. And there's so many products in here, so I want to do a review on most, if not all of them. So the first thing I got is not something exciting, but I got a lady shaver. I needed a new one, so I got a new one. Now I have a few different ways I like to remove body hair. Lady shaver is just one out of the three, and I needed a new one. So I went ahead and bought that, and the lady shaver was $29.90. And then I need a new blush brush. I said in a previous video that I needed a new blush brush. in its previous, I don't know if it will be up before this one video. And I needed a new blush brush, and I got one from Brushworks. So this is the powder brush from Brushworks, and I like it. I don't know what it's like, I haven't opened it, but I like the design. Then I got a green eyeliner from NYX. This is the emerald cut, and it looks like this. It's a gorgeous color. I thought I would do, I know in the future which video I will do this in, but that is something you won't see for 6 months. I'm sorry, but it's a Christmas look with green. The last thing that I bought from this goodie bag, oh my gosh, NYX Ultimate I Know That's Bright eyeshadow palette. I won't open it because I want first swatch, first look. But these are the colors. Look at that. Gorgeous. Perfect for summer. Perfect for me. Absolutely love it. And I have some more yellow in here. Yay! And so this bag, this goodie bag, it has a value of $100 or more. I don't know exactly, but they say it should be at least $100 value in here. On top of this goodie bag, I won a consolation prize on the claw machine, and I won in the Quarks spinning wheel. I won something. I could choose between 2 things. So I know that is in here, and I know what that is because I won it. I saw it. But this bag, it's halfway full of things that will be in another video. So I'm sorry, but I want that to be a separate unboxing video. And so I got a lot of food, and I got food for my next travel vlog video that will be out at the end of this month. I think by the time this video is up, it will be July, so it will be at the end of this month. So in about 2 weeks, there will be a travel vlog, and I bought some food for that and to make. That is all I have for you today, and thank you for being here with me shopping. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!